It's the first at-home pill to keep people out of the hospital due to COVID could be available as early as this weekend. The FDA has just granted emergency use authorization to Pfizer's new pill, which helps stop the virus from advancing.
We've been following this all day. Providers say it's much needed, even as Omicron appears to be leading to milder illness and fewer hospitalizations. Researchers say, however, they're not exactly sure why.
The potential good news is that maybe not as virulent.
Now, new data from South Africa lending support that the variant itself leads to milder illness. One study shows even as newer cases were climbing there, hospitalizations were not. People infected with Omicron were nearly 30% less likely to be hospitalized compared to the initial pandemic wave in the March of 2020. The second study there found that Omicron infections, when compared to the Delta variant, were associated with 70% lower odds of severe disease. However, British researchers released a study saying Omicron is not milder than Delta. They also found it's 5 times more likely to cause reinfections.
In other words, you've had COVID and you get it again. Less common in vaccinated individuals, which suggests that there is protection to some extent, probably a good extent, from the vaccine.
The FDA, however, not waiting for more information. They granted emergency use authorization to Paxlovid. The Pfizer pill is cleared for patients 12 and older with mild to moderate COVID-19 who are most likely to end up in the hospital and not survive. The FDA says it is needed to be prescribed immediately after diagnosis of COVID-19 within 5 days of the first symptoms. Those treating patients applauding this move.
An oral medication, a pill, would really be a lot better way to go if it were available.